My name is Michael Kirkwold-Dunkley. I go by Kirk. I have a degree in fine arts from UCalgary, an undergrad degree, and I've also got a master's degree in fine arts. I graduated university and I had a bunch of different jobs and decided to start my own business. So I run a company called Sigma 6 Design Corporation, where I work basically as a sculptor and just respond to very context-specific projects and produce different works. A lot of the work that I produce is based on the study of time and space and light. So making order out of these really fourth dimensional kind of objects or phenomenons that are really hard to access, but creating a physical and visual experience of those things. I think that's what a lot of my sculpture is, are articulations of those ideas. Typically I like to use industrial materials, materials of permanence. I don't know, it's kind of my own ethos to think that the artworks that I produce will hopefully be around for a while. So I like to work with plastics and metals and that sort of thing. Yeah, so this is kind of my Cadillac in my shop here. This is my laser cutter. It'll basically cut wood and plastics, composite materials, all that kind of stuff with a beam of light. So it's a little noisy, but you can see the table moving there. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so all you do is you put your part in here and you can move the actual laser head around. I'll move it for you here so you can see. So this piece here travels back and forth on an X and Y sort of grid coordinates, and it uses light to cut through materials. That's definitely something you don't see every day. One of my very favorite tools is probably my drill press, and it's just so versatile. Everything from, of course, drilling holes, but polishing little parts with it, or really whatever I need to do. This thing has seen me through from the beginnings, and this is one of my oldest tools and I love it. This was actually a gift from my wife, and it's it's probably my favorite tool just because it's from her. But this is my chop saw. This thing's really amazing because it actually has digital readout on it. You can actually see the display here. It tells me exactly what the angle is between the fence and the blade back here. So just back in this area. My material rack here, so I've got all my materials that I work with, everything woods, plastics, and all kinds of random stuff that I like to play with. But if I'm prototyping something, this is where I go. So yeah, this is the raw form of the material that I'm using for the Arch Award. So this is acrylic sheet, and this stuff is actually ½ an inch thick, but completely perfectly clear. It won't be when I'm done with it though. It's gonna have a bit of a frosted finish to it. I had the opportunity to work on the Arch Awards, did the last 7-year run of those, so that was really exciting. The previous design was sort of based on an aggregation of geometric components that transformed through space, and a lot of people thought that they looked like ocean life, like sea animals or something. This year's are entirely different, so kind of excited to see what the reaction's going to be. They still follow suit in sort of a constructivist style of sculpture, but they're a lot more of a minimalist statement this time as opposed to a really sort of played out geometric shape.